is called KeyWing Lens Pro Photo Lens Systems for smartphones. So right here is just me going on my Amazon, and right here is where you can find it. It comes with like a cute case and a little clip-on thing, so you can put it on your camera, and it clips right on. It comes with like 6 lenses, and yes, I'm going to show you the review of it in this video. Hope you like it. This is the fisheye lens. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. It gives like a circle, like a fisheye look. This is crazy. Oh gosh. Oh, this is cute. So it's like a circle, like an eye.
Oh, look, the eye can be.
This is what the flash. That is cool. Whoa. This is freaking crazy. So I'm like, why is this so blurry? Because it's like a micro lens. It gets like small, little details. I'm trying to get it focused. Ew, look at my skin. Ew, look at it. Come here, come here, come here. Julie, come here. Let me do your hair.
What?
Let me do your hair. Yo, this is crazy. Let me do your hair. This is a micro lens, so it's like small, tiny particles. Come. Okay, it's gonna get really. Watch, it's gonna focus. What the? Stop moving, Eli. Move. Oh, your big head. Really, Eli?
What?
Okay, I'm just gonna do Eli's.
Ow, I'm still.
Not focusing because he's
I'm
freaking moving. Stop moving. Ew, you see it? Stop moving. Let me do your eye. Come here. Holy crap.
Oh.
Look at that.
Ta-da!
My hand is not steady, so I need that steady thing. Look, Jai, you want to see?
Got that good hair, boy.
Look, let's look at this. Let's look at this, because this is not going to move. Look.
Ta-da! Here you go.
What the heck, yo? That is crazy. Look at the fibers. Yo.
What?
I said you got that good hair.
This lens thing is lit. So this is a vibe. Look at your eye in the back. KeyWing lens really are good. I'm gonna be doing my videos with these from now often, and yeah, my son is just having fun. I have to clearly clean all of them with this. Thank you, Eli. Thank you.
Ta-da!
When you have kids, look at the baby in the back. Tamaya. This is a must buy. This is the wide angle lens. Everyday purpose lens. You gotta make sure you don't have the case on, because the case will like not really fit on your phone. My phone is a iPhone 11. I don't freaking know. The newest iPhone. I think it's the iPhone 11. But yeah. The wide angle lens is good for vlogging, regular everyday videos. So yeah, we'll see more. Wow, this is crazy. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? I don't think you see the difference. Like, I'm right here, right? With the wide angle lens. Boom. Do you see the distance? Like, do you see how much I'm getting out of there? Look at this. You see the rolls and the lens thing box. Do you see that? I'm just gonna stay right here. So look, I'm not gonna move. I'm just gonna take the lens off.
Hey, what's the issue?
Boom.
You talking?
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's popping. All right, let's get this on the road. So yeah, these KeyWing lens are really good. So far I use it for my video for this one, and it comes with 6 lenses, and they're really good for people that vlog, do YouTube. So if you're interested, go pick one up off of Amazon.